Hello, everybody. My name is Derek Luby. I am the founder and CEO of Huddle Up Learning, and I wanted to welcome you to your idea exchange. Before we get into meeting your cohort and learning about the topic of your idea exchange, I wanted to just take a moment to preview the Huddle Up platform with you to make sure you have a successful experience here. So if you are unfamiliar with Huddle Up, you will see that it's a new kind of learning platform. We're trying to move past the video and quiz model of learning where learners are isolated. Instead, we want to let learners share their solutions and share their feedback. Because when we meaningfully engage with one another, then we start to build the connections in the community that really helps us learn from one another. We make learning social and we make it interactive. You can probably get a sense for the type of interaction that's involved in Huddle Up from the image here. The first thing you might notice is that as a cohort, you'll be moving through this experience together. Your project leader, no matter what the topic is, will likely have shared some best practices, and the project leader will then be asking you to share your solution or ideas or application of that best practice. And as you can see, we then are able to review each other's solutions and give feedback, both qualitative and quantitative, to help each of us improve and to help build connections for us as a cohort. In short, we hope this model is going to give you a better learning experience. It's going to be one that's focused on solutions and implementing ideas into action instead of just pure comprehension. And we do that by allowing you to collaborate and interact with one another. So you will all be receiving feedback from each other along the way. And this experience will be primarily or completely asynchronous. We want to allow learners the time and the space to be able to share their ideas with meaning, and also the time and the space to reflect and give feedback that's meaningful. That doesn't mean we won't have synchronous sessions. That's up to the project leader. We just want to provide the opportunity for learners to share their best work and move forward as a cohort together in unison, but allowing each individual the time and space to do their best thinking along the way. And of course, we're excited by the opportunity for this platform to really build connections. Connections between learners in ways that they couldn't do before, but also connections with experts, whether the expert is the project leader or experts outside of the project who have been asked to join. Ultimately, all of those connections, we hope, build a community within the project itself as we learn from and with one another, and we hope those connections will last even after the project finishes. And so before we get started with our idea exchange project, we want to take a moment to outline our goals for you. Firstly, whatever your topic, we hope that your idea exchange helps you improve what you initially submitted. And that improvement is going to come from the feedback of others. Secondly, we hope you improve your understanding of the concepts because you're going to benefit by seeing other people's ideas with different contexts and different solutions. Thirdly, we hope you build some connections with people who are passionate about a similar topic. And lastly, we want to hear your feedback to help us improve. Although our time together during this idea exchange may be limited, we hope it provides enough of a glimpse into this model of learning for you to ask yourself, is this a model that's going to help us reach these 3 goals? If you have ideas or suggestions for how we can do that better, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much, and enjoy your idea exchange project.